Hello everyone, I am Adarsh, lecturing Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. As you know, my topic is cash flow statement. So we are in the session 4, session 1, 2, 3, what we did. So we discussed about what is cash flow statement, as well as we have three kinds of activities, which are those operating, financing, investing activities. We already discussed about operating activity as well as financing and investing activity we discussed, but we did not do any problems. In today's session, we will do two problems on financing as well as investing activities. From the following information, calculate cash flow from financing activity. What are the examples for financing and what are the examples for investing? To understand, financing means your loans, equity shares, preference shares, all the share capitals which comes under financing activity. What about investing activity? Purchase and sale of assets, investment, all comes under investing activity. Now we'll go with financing activity. Easy to calculate. From the following information, you have to prepare what? Financing activity. Now, your equity share capital they have given, bank loan they have given. This is a 6-mark problem, easy. Now, you have 2014 and 2015. Now, simple calculation. Your equity share capital, it was 28 lakh, means you have borrowed, you have taken money from the outsiders, public. How much you have taken? 28 lakh. It was in 2014. In 2015, what was your share capital? 35 lakh, means 28 lakh you had. This year your equity shares is 35, means 7 lakh you have taken from outsiders. Means last year it was 28, this year it is 35, means 7 lakh you have taken from outsiders. Means this is your income, inflow. You have collected money. While doing financing activity, concentrate cash. If you are receiving cash, inflow. If you are paying cash, that is outflow. In this, it was 28 lakh, now it is 35 lakh, means you have received 7 lakh. 7 lakh means what? Inflow, means add. Next, bank loan, it was 12.5, now it is 7.5. Your loan was 12 lakh 50,000. After 1 year, your loan is 7 lakh 50,000, means you have repaid almost how much? 5 lakh you have paid. It is a cash inflow or outflow. You are receiving cash or paid cash. In this case, you have paid. How much you have paid? You have paid 5 lakh. So first one is add, second one is minus. Easy or very easy? Yes, it is very easy. Come back to your answer. This is your 6-mark problem. You have to write heading cash flow from financing activity. Now, you have two things, issue of equity shares and bank loan repaid. As I told you, it was 28, now it is 35. 7 lakh increased. 7 lakh should be positive value plus. Next, bank loan repaid. Why? Because the loan was 12 lakh 50, now it is 7 lakh 50. Why? You have paid your loan. 12 lakh 50 minus 7 lakh 50, your answer is 5 lakh. Now, 7 lakh minus 5 lakh, how much is your cash flow from financing activity? Cash flow from financing activity is 2 lakh. Only this much. 2 calculation, 6 mark. Just add and minus, right? We'll go for the next one. This is cash flow from investing activity. This is cash flow from investing activity. Again, you have two things. As I told you, investing activity means what? Investing activity means two things will be there. One is purchase and sale of assets and purchase and sale of your investment. Both comes under investing activity. The concept is very simple. Your purchasing means you are paying. Your selling means you are receiving. If you sell your asset, you will collect money. If you purchase asset, you will pay money. Simple concept. If you are purchasing means minus cash outflow. If you are selling means inflow plus. Why? Because if you sell your goods, you can collect money. Clear? Yes. This paragraph will come later. First we'll go with this box. Now, you have building, purchase 5 lakh, sales nothing. Purchase means inflow or outflow? Yes, it is outflow. Why? Because you are paying. If you pay money, you can purchase. Minus. Purchase minus sales add. Now, sales plus purchases minus sales plus this much only. Easy. Compared to your operating activity, investing and financing activity are very easy. Next, come to your adjustment. Interest received on debenture. You are receiving. Receiving means what? Cash inflow. Cash inflow means what? Add. Plus. Next, dividend received on shares. Again, you are receiving. Receiving means what? Again, it is add. 20,000 and 30,000 should be added. Why? Because you are receiving in this. So, what do you mean by dividend? Dividend means it is a share of your profit. If company earns profit, the profit will be given to whom? Owners, shareholders. Whatever profit distributed to owners or shareholders, we call it as dividend. Clear? Whatever profit earned by company will be divided or distributed to whom? Owners or shareholders. That is called as dividend. Clear? Yes. So, we got to know if it is purchase minus, if it is sales plus, anything which is received plus. Clear? Yes. Remember, 20,000 and 30,000 should be added. Why? Because those are receipt. See, this will be your answer. As I told you, you have to write heading. Cash flow from investing activity. First, your 20,000 and 30,000 are added. It was in the adjustment. So, we have added. Why we were added? Why we were added means these are income received. Clear? Now, purchase of building. As I told you, purchase minus sales add. Now, purchase of building minus proceeds from sale. If you find the word called sale plus. Why? Because you will receive money. Purchase, the word purchase minus proceed from sale, the word sale plus interest received. As I told you earlier, anything which is received always plus. Dividend received, the word you have received, so plus. Here purchase, it is minus. Simple calculation. Purchase means, the logic is very simple. Purchase minus sales add received add. You have to remember these three logics: purchase, sales, receipt. Then you will get 6 marks easily. Clear? This is all about your investing activity. I'll go out of the screen. Please take screenshot of this. You have to work out without seeing this. You have to go back to your question. You have to see your question and you have to solve. Just take a screenshot of this answer. This is all about your today's session. What we discussed today: financing activity as well as investing activity. In the previous sessions, we completed operating activity. After operating, now we completed investing as well as financing activity. What will be for your next session? Next session, we will do another 2 to 3 problems on your investing as well as financing activity. So don't go in depth. Why? Because cash flow you need to learn many things, but as per your syllabus we don't want in-depth study. We need only basic things and as well as basic problems. Whatever we discuss in the class, that is only for your examination point of view. Thank you.